Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me Kate Stichina. Today oil prices advanced slightly, supported by the lingering threat of a military conflict between the United States and Iran. It may lead to a disruption in supply from the Persian Gulf. Additionally, rally was boosted by the latest statistics on crude oil inventories in the United States. Yesterday, the American Petroleum Institute released the weekly report on the stockpiles of crude oil that showed a decrease of 7.5 million barrels. Thus, a fall was registered for a second week in a row, which is connected with a seasonally adjusted higher demand for gasoline. It has a positive impact on oil traders' sentiment. Today, the Energy Information Administration will release the official figures. Brent prices rose by 1% and reached as high as $66 per barrel at some moment. However, rise is likely to be limited at this level, and the price will consolidate amid highly anticipated news from the sideways of the G20 summit and ahead of the OPEC+meeting that is scheduled to be held on July 1st-2nd. Reportedly, Russia was the biggest exporter of crude oil to China last month. According to the Chinese General Information of Customs, the import of Russian oil came in at 1.5 million barrels per day. In a year, the volume of supplies advanced by 9.8%. At the same time, exports of the commodity from the United States to China decreased by 80%. Meanwhile, the Russian ruble extends gains on the currency market amid rising oil prices and the deadline for tax payments in Russia. At the same time, the US dollar has strengthened as worries of aggressive rate cuts by the Federal Reserve faded away. Earlier, the American currency lacked momentum because investors were concerned over the Fed's plans to ease the monetary policy. Recently, Fed Chair Jerome Powell said that the regulator was independent from Donald Trump, who called for aggressive cuts of the debt securities prices. Traders are estimating the chances of a 50 points rate cut in July. We keep close tabs on the market developments. Stay tuned with us.